So Evan, that looks like a pretty much old plain Jane Chevy, old pickup truck.
Yeah.
Does that thing even run?
I don't know if they were putting LS3s in this in the factory or not in 53.
No.
LS3, doesn't that mean it's from 53 or original engine for 1953 Chevrolet?
There may be a connection there.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it looks like it sits a little bit lower than the ones I remember.
Yeah. It's a little bit lower.
Fire it up. Let's hear it.
Let's
All right.
hear that thing. Planes are annoying when you're trying to record sound. We'll be kicking gravel all over us now.
It's not going. It's just